Dear students, in this module, we are going to talk about the regional dressing patterns of Balochistan. Balochi people wear shalwar kameez of thick cloth with very wide shalwar, and Balochi men especially they wear shalwar kameez with long and loose sleeves and loose shalwar. Men do wear the Balochi turban made of the very long cloth, often in white color, and the turban is also perceived as the symbol of respect. Pakistani dresses for Balochi women are truly very exquisite and very colorful. They wear very heavy embroidered shalwar kameez along with dupatta. They wear kameez full of heavy embroidered shisha work. Beautifully needled work is done on the front and the large pocket of the dress. And also, the needle work is done by women themselves, and the Balochi women are very well known for it. And this Balochi dresses are also very much liked by the visitors. Here are the few pictorial representations of the Balochi dressing pattern. On the left side, as you can see, the typical Balochi embroidered kameez, and on the right side, you can find the children wearing the Balochi dresses.